let's look at question number 4 in your book. Sadia and Jasmine have dolls in the ratio 2:3. So Sadia will come first, is to Jasmine have dolls in the ratio 2:3. You will write down in this manner. Sadia is to Jasmine 2:3. Now let's look at what it says further. Sadia has 6 dolls. How many dolls Jasmine have? So they had given that Sadia has 6 dolls and you have to find out the number of dolls Jasmine has. Okay, now 2:6 in proportion 3:x. This is first term and last term, which is extreme. This is second term and third term, which is mean. I'm not solving it further. You will write down the formula, you will multiply and you will bring out the value of x. You will find out how many dolls Jasmine has. Okay, now let's look at next question. Okay, the question is question number 5 and this is the last question we are doing. Divide rupees 50,000 between two charities in the ratio 1/10 is to 1/15. Okay, now if you remember exercise 6b, this is the same question as given in as we have done in exercise 6b, which was question number 4 in the previous lecture we did. So first charity is given the ratio 1/10, second charity is given the ratio 1/15. Total amount is given rupees 50,000. When these types of questions are given, your first thing is to find out sum of ratios. So sum of ratios, we have to work for it because they are given in fractions. Sum of ratio, it means 1/10 plus 1/15. It is given in fractions, it means I have to take out the LCM. So LCM will be 10 and 15. LCM I will take out, which will be here 2 5s are 10 and 15 will come as it is. Then 5 1s are 5, 3s are 3 will come as it is 1. So 2 5s are 10 and 10 3s are is 30. So 30 is the LCM which will come down. 30 goes in 10 times table 3 times, 30 goes in 15 times table 2 times. 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are is 30. I hope I do not have to explain you LCM, which we have already done. 1 3s are is 3 plus 1 2s are is 2 is equals to 3 plus 2 is 5/30. Reduce them. 5 1s are 6 are. It means sum of ratio is equals to 1/6, which I will write in my data. Sum of ratios is equals to 1/6. This is all fair work. Okay, please students, you will not do it in rough work. You will do all the work in fair work. Only LCM can be taken in rough work. Where you are working for sum of ratios, you will do it fair. Now let's look at it how we will solve. Okay, so you remember the formula which we have already done in exercise 6b, ratio upon sum of ratio multiplied by amount. So first charity ratio was 1/10, which I have written over here. Sum of ratio I found myself, and then 50,000 is the total amount which is again in the data. Okay, now 1/10, this is the longer divide. Okay, you will make it bigger so that it is visible to you. 1/10 divided by 1/6 multiplied by 50,000. Okay, now you will write 1/10 multiply by, when you will change this divide sign into multiply, this 6 will go up and 1 will come down, which is called reciprocal. We make denominator numerator and numerator become denominator. Now reduce it. 6 reduce from 2 times table, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 5 is reducing with this also. In denominator it has 1. Okay, this is numerator value. So 5 1s are, denominator can be cancelled from numerator. 5 1s are 0 0 0. Okay, now you will multiply 3 with 10,000. So you get the answer I am doing here, but please students, you will do vertically down. You will not write is equals to on the same line. I do not have a space and that's why I am writing on the same line. 3 multiplied by 10,000 is equals to 30,000. So first charity will get 30,000. Now I am working for second charity. Same formula you will use. 1/15 is the second charity ratio. upon 1 upon 6 is the sum of ratio, amount is 50,000. You will do the same thing. 1 upon 15 divided by 1 upon 6. This was the bigger divide. Okay, that's why I have written divide. So 1 upon 15 divide by 1 upon 6. Okay, multiply by 50,000. 1 upon 15 multiply by, again reciprocal, multiply by 50,000, and in denominator it also has 1. 6, I will reduce it with 3 times table now. 3 2s are and 3 5s are. 5 1s are. Done. 2 multiplied by 10,000 will give me 20,000 rupees, 20,000, and this is second charity amount. Please do your work neatly. I do not have space, and that's why I am writing in this manner. You will write it completely clean way and do neat and clean work. I have checked few 6th class copies and they have done horrible work. Please girls, do neat and clean work. You are girls and girls always do neat and clean work. Okay, thank you. We are keeping our lecture today till here. You will do all 5 questions from exercise 6C and we will keep it till here only. Goodbye. Take care.